I think there are two aspects to it. On the household demand side, the foundational economy provides essential goods and services which are well-being critical. The things like education, health, adult care, pipe and cable utilities, the stuff we all take for granted, but which needs to work so that we can have safe, civilized lives. That's important on the demand side. On the supply side, the foundational economy in providing those services accounts for nearly half of Welsh employment. And I think, therefore, on both demand and supply sides, this is the crucial part of the Welsh economy which has been neglected and we now need to work on. It's much more than supporting individual businesses, because we're trying to move beyond a simple notion of business friendly, and we're trying to think how we get business to play more of a social role in the Welsh economy. So I think we need to get firms in and businesses in care, for example, to take part in new kinds of care and experiments in changing the kind of care so that it's less biomedical and more geared up towards social problems of old age. And I think at the same time, we want to try and make sure that these firms are paying living wages and offering decent hours. Well, I think it's not going to happen overnight, but I think if you actually wanted a simple measure, I think looking at residual household income after housing, transport and utility bills gives you a first measure of livability. In a sense, what matters to people is not the top line income, but what's disposable afterwards, after they've paid for the essentials. And from that point of view, I think the quality of the services also matters, and we'd need separate indicators for that.